All right, let's take a look at what CyberLink Powerdirector offers in the way of costs and subscriptions. And some people I've noticed are confused. So let's have a closer look at this. Now, you could buy Powerdirector 17 and PhotoDirector and get both these for $97. You own it, it will never shut down. Or you could go for a subscription, which is what they're showing here, of just PhotoDirector. And they do the same for quite a bit of their stuff going. But you could buy Powerdirector 17 one-time fee, $60 here. Now keep in mind, if you wait till Christmas, you're probably going to get some amazing coupons, so sign up for the newsletter. Now, if I buy it, I own this. It never shuts down. I could run it for 2 or 3 years, never have to worry about it. If I go on a subscription, like one of these two, then after 1 year, it expires. Okay? In my view, my personal view, between these two here, the Powerdirector 365 and the Director Suite, the Director Suite is the only way to go if you're going to do it. And like I said, wait for a coupon to do this. So let me show you what I'm talking about. A lot of people that I've noticed believe that you just get 4 programs: Powerdirector, PhotoDirector, Color Director, and Audio Director. This is not true. When you do the membership of the suite, the Director Suite, you also pick up all these add-ons. These all come with it. But keep in mind, when you do a subscription, after 1 year, it expires. If you don't pay for another year, poof, it's all gone. So you have to make a decision on whether or not do you own or do you rent. And that's pretty much what you're doing. Now these here, I do have them installed, but their application manager, which is this little box you're seeing, for some reason has a bug and these aren't showing up inside here. But they are installed. When I do run Powerdirector, they are in there, they are working. So this thing needs to be fixed for whatever reason it's doing. They also add more, 1 or 2 per month, I believe. I haven't checked that or used them. I mainly use it for the 4 programs, but I use video editing all the time. So in my personal view of me, I get more for paying for the membership. But like I said, I got to pay it like renting it every year. And I like having Color Director, Audio Director are 2 of the biggest ones. Photo Director I use a little bit, but these 2 I use a lot. And Color Director allows me to change the color of videos while I'm in Powerdirector. Audio Director allows me to mess with the audio when I'm in Powerdirector. It just gives me basically more power to do so when I'm running it. So the question is, for yourself, okay, like I said, Director Suite is the only way to go. That's it. This one here, and I'll click it, and I'll do a comparison, and I'll come down and kind of show you and move this, over a little bit. And notice the Director and Director Suite. Director Suite's the one you want. It comes with everything. Because as you come down, you'll start seeing blue arrows that are marked out. You can do a comparison by going to their website yourself and having a look at it. But if you buy them separately, look what you're paying. I mean, you're in the $300 or $400 is what you're into if you buy them all separately. And you don't even get all those extra add-ons, okay, unless you go with the suite. The suite, you're running, I don't know, around $100, $80 for the year. Like I said, you're renting it, but you get all 4 and you get the add-ons. And you can see the blue check marks all the way down. The suite, you basically get the whole kit and caboodle. To where with just the Powerdirector 365, you're limited. So in my view, if you're going to go the way of membership, okay, you want to go with the suite. If you're not going to go the way of membership, all right, then wait for the coupons that come out at Christmas, pick your poison, and then buy them. When you buy it outright, you're going to pay more, but it's going to run for the next 5 years or whatever, and you pay one time and don't have to worry about it if you don't want to upgrade. But if it's a program you're using on a constant basis, like you're on YouTube or you're really making a lot of videos, then I would say you want to go with the suite. But if you're not making videos all that much, and it's just like something you do in your spare time, then maybe all you want to do is go strictly with Powerdirector 17 and nothing else. So there's a quick rundown. You get to see basically what the application manager is and how the suite actually works. And like I said, when you get into the directory suite, you also get all these add-ons too. And I haven't even touched into a lot of these to check them out. I mainly do a lot of things myself by hand. So if you're on the fence and you fully don't understand how all this works, I hope that's a better explanation. And catch you guys on the next one.